everybody, and welcome to Microsoft Project 2016 Fundamentals. This Fundamentals course has 16 modules that lay a foundation for working with Microsoft Project. Let's go over those modules here. In Module 1, we'll explore Microsoft Project by viewing different areas like the ribbon and the backstage. We'll also look at views, columns, and using help. In Module 2, we'll create a new project file, discuss templates, create tasks, and set durations. Module 3 takes us through managing and outlining a task list. We'll also look at naming good practices and the notion of the work breakdown structure. We'll discuss linking and unlinking in Module 4, as well as viewing the critical path. Module 5 gets us into changing the dependency types and managing options like the lag and lead time. Module 6 is all about calendars, configuring project calendars, creating new calendars, and setting resource calendars. Module 7 discusses resources, resource types, and when to use a resource calendar. Module 8 examines costs, setting and applying fixed costs, for example, and using the budget resource cost type. Module 9 gets us into task type settings and working with the Microsoft Project scheduling engine. We'll explore effort-driven options and managing task types. We'll also look at contours and adjusting assignments in Module 10. We identify and resolve overallocations. This means we get into resource leveling and setting leveling options. We'll get into constraints and deadlines in Module 12. And finally, we get to tracking in Module 13. This includes setting baselines, marking tasks complete, and comparing what we thought was going to happen to what is actually happening within our schedule. Now we want to work with specific scheduling information, and we'll cover that in Module 14 by filtering and grouping project information. We'll talk about reporting in Module 15. This includes using built-in dashboard reports, visual reports, and using the timeline. And finally, we'll customize the project environment. This includes adding commands to the quick access toolbar and the ribbon. We'll also talk about exporting those items so that you can share them with your colleagues. So let's get started. We look forward to having you in class.